award!
Bitch.
Darling, hindi ko sinasadya. Hindi kita napansin eh.
It must have been failing eyesight.
Really now? 2020 yatang vision ko.
Sorry ha, I thought that was your bust line. O sa bagay, hindi rin kita napansin. Ang pandak-pandak mo kasi, tatabi-tabi ka sa aking towering height. So I guess it must have been my fault. After all, bitch.
Double bitch.
Rub-a-dub-dub. 2 bitches in a tub.
Hi, kuha mo naman akong drink. Hi, handsome. Ngayon lang yata kita nakita.
Isa ako late comer eh.
Late comer? Sa gitna ng dagat. Eh, ano sinakyan mo? Taxi?
Well, you see, hindi kasi ako masyadong papakita eh. What I mean is...
What you mean is, natatakot ka.
Oh, no.
Oh, yes, kang stowaway. Oh, come on, I wasn't born yesterday. All I have to do is to look at your big brown eyes. At mababasa ko na sa'yo ang nasa isip mo.
Talaga?
You see, I'm a crook. A damn good crook. And I can tell another crook when I see one. Tulad mo. An exciting and adventurous young one.
Hi, I'm Alfred. Glad to meet you.
Ako naman si Asinit. Well, I'm sure we get along fine. Tulad ng kasabihan. Birds of the same feather flock together.
Pare, batok yan ah.
Sorry ah.
Oh, nasaan ang drinks ko?
To!
Ay, leche!
Let's ka rin!
Pare, that wasn't a gentlemanly thing to do.